Hey everyone, Robert Roy, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com. Welcome to this edition of Trade with Rob, which is for August 4th, 2021. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Keep in mind that all of the candidates we look at here today are for educational purposes only. All right, so let's go ahead. Actually, I wanted to bring this in first. If you're not already following along with what we do, folks, obviously you're here on YouTube watching our Trade with Rob. But if you're not following our podcast, if you're not following us on Instagram, on Facebook, there's a tremendous amount of content that we put out every single day. So make sure you're checking that out. All right. So first thing I want to look at is the ES, which is the S&P 500. Let's go ahead and take a look-see. So that vertical line is right here is Friday's close. Right? So Monday's close, sorry. So what happened is we made a little pop up, we came back down, we had a nice steady run, and then about 8 o'clock this morning we came crashing down, and we fought our way back hard until about noon when we exploded, and then we had a nice continuation into the end of the day to put the S&P 500, the ES, up about 29 points. Great move overall on the S&P, right? So from there, the markets are closed, right? We understand what's going on with the market now. What I want to look at is I want to go take a look at our candidate today, which is COF, is our ticker symbol, right? COF has went and attacked this negative 136 line over and over and over again. If we look at the fibs on COF, we had a nice move down, this move up, steady, good bullish thrust pattern, pull back to the 236, ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. We did it again. We did it again. Yep, we broke down. No worries. We're back. But look at how often we're back at this line. Phenomenal level. We got the breakout. Pull back. We got a breakout, a retest. Boom. The explosion right there. Here we got a close, a gap up, and a fail. Nothing there. Here we got a move up, a retest, and a bounce. There's the opportunity. You might have been stopped out on that one. This one never gave us a trade. This one did, pushed up, retest, and bounced. There's a trade. This one in here, nothing there, nothing there. We got to move up, a retest, boom, that was a trade. We got to move up and a retest, boom, there was a trade. Move up, boom, there it is. Now we're sitting right back at that 160.37 near it at this point. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to set up, let me go ahead and zoom in on this as much as I can. Make it nice and big. There we go. Okay, I want to see all the lines on there as possible. So what are we looking at? First off, you're going to look for the trade to touch down, move down, and get near that 160.37 level tomorrow. That's the idea. Tomorrow, the day after, and bounce. If it does, that's where the entry is taken. Your stop is set at 158.25. Your target number one is going to be set at 164. This is where you will sell half of your position. We trade these in 2 contract increments in our practice account just to show how it works. So you take 2 contracts, you're going to sell 1 there. You will immediately move your stop up to break even. Wherever you got in at the stop price, you're going to be just above that level so that you're not giving any back or very little back if it does pull back to that new level again. Target number 2 will be at 168.25. That is where you will sell the second half of your trade and you are done. That is the entire setup. All the candidates that we're working on in the last couple of weeks have done extremely well. We've got 2 open positions right now. Of the previous ones, our last 2 are both still open right now. One we took 1 exit, the other one we haven't taken anything, but that was just because there were only 2 trading days available. So we'll do an update on that in just a little bit. But with that, we're done. So stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just 1 trade away. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see all of you at our next update. Bye for now. Folks, thanks for checking out my trade idea from my Trade with Rob video series. Now, if you've taken any of these trades from this series, non-funded of course, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section down below. While you're here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video. And click below to check out these great trainings I've put together just for you.